What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be working on my buddy Drew's E90 335i. I've actually got a couple parts here in the garage that kind of been storing for him for a little while, so we're going to go ahead and get those on today. So parts that we're putting on include, so we've got a Alcantara Shift-Boot here as well as a new gear shifter. Should be a quick, simple install. So this is the hardest part. Just don't punch yourself in the face. I did this to myself however long ago that was when we did your interior, but just grab it and pull straight up. Just like that, comes right out. This part would be a little bit harder probably, but I'll try to pull up on the boot. Like so, and then we're going to unplug this guy. This is a Molex plug. And there's one on this side as well. See all that? This one just is out. There you go. There's the old ones. Okay, comparison. Stock, new one here. Stock, new one here. And so Drew purchased these from ECS Tuning for $160 some. Direct replacement parts. Looks pretty good. Alright, since we're only replacing the shift boot, which is half leather, half Alcantara, the back side basically is going to be a direct swap. So you can see the little plastic tabs all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to take this apart. And I'm just going to pop it off my finger. Hopefully. Okay, that was super easy. So we're retaining this OEM piece and then swapping the new one on. It should just clip right in, hopefully. Around. So the clip has to pop over this little plastic ledge. Kind of got to do them all at the same time. Come on. All right, just gotta make sure all 5 of these clips are in place, not going anywhere, and that's how it looks. So we can swap this back on, and it should be quick and easy. All right, reinstall, pretty simple. 2 plugs again. They only go in one direction, so the white on the white and the blue on the blue. Plug it in until it snaps in. Same thing with the blue one here. We've got power again. And then just snaps into place. So, feed the shifter through. All lined up, you can push it all in. There's that. Shift knob. Should just pop right on. Just like that. Good to go. Alright, final product. Pretty quick and simple. Mix of Alcantara on the front and on the gear shifter here, and then leather, which matches the leather on the existing e-brake. So that was it. How do you feel about it, Drew?
Very nice.
Very nice. Super clean, ECS Tuning. Links will be in the description below.